The family summer house, designed by Stockholm architect studio Elding Oskarsson, is set on a west-facing plot looking out to sea. In contrast to the imposing early 20th century mansions surrounding the site, Elding Oskarsson created a home that is light and transparent. The ground level is encased in glass, thus fully exploiting the dramatic Swedish landscape. This not only provides every room with a panoramic view, it also eradicates the barrier between inside and out, creating the feeling of sitting on the hill upon which the house sits, rather than in a room facing out. From above, the architecture resembles three arms of a star, each culminating at a thin point. Therefore, the slenderness of the glass and profiles, in particular the glazed corners, were paramount to the design. Another important criteria for the architects was that both fixed and sliding profiles should be integrated seamlessly into the same system for optimal flexibility. The end result is a home for all seasons that incorporates innovation and functionality without compromising the aesthetic demands of contemporary architecture.